Can you show me how it works? And then I just push the button or how I get in.
Push the button right here.
And I'm supposed to use this step to step
Step,
inside?
yes you can.
Like this. Woo. Like this.
Yep.
And then how you get back down? Oh, look at this. This gonna do what? Hook stuff up.
That's when you hook stuff up in. And then over here you have your plugs that you can plug something. That's when you're putting your bed line and you locking stuff up in.
I don't want to have to jump down, so I'm going to have to do the same.
You're gonna use the step ladder and bend down.
But won't be doing this much with the dress on.
And then you close it.
Let me see, please.
You close it by pushing the button.
Let's see. Oh, look at me. Let me back.